Guys, Honor is back again with another tablet, and this is the Honor MagicPad 4. But guess what? It's not just a tablet, but it's also a PC. So in this video, let me tell you why. What's up guys, Jason smashpop here. So why did I say that this is not just a tablet but also a PC? So as you can see here, it runs Android OS, but with a tap of this button, we also can launch Linux OS. And you know what we can do with Linux OS? Build AI agents. So after switching to Linux Lab, we can use this secure and also optimized environment for AI deployment, AI development, testing, and also technical workflows. So for example, from the Linux Lab, I can straight away launch OpenClaw, and from here, I can actually have this terminal to build things I want. And why is it important? It's because it allows enhanced productivity and daily efficiency through the support of advanced AI agents, empowering people like us to handle more intelligent and also complex tasks. There's also one more special feature. If you have this, okay, so this is the keyboard case. The moment you attach the tablet to the keyboard case, it automatically turns into PC mode. And that also means you are able to move your windows, open multiple windows, and transfer files in between them just like a normal PC. Speaking of AI, the display is also AI powered because now this AI can actually power the imaging processing even further, and it reaches 165 Hz, and this display technology is actually OLED. So when it's an OLED display, colors are super vibrant and the contrast is super high, with bezel as thin as 3.9 mm and the overall screen is 12.3 inches. And it is also IMAX enhanced, and with the 3K ultra high resolution, we are able to watch movies, edit videos, and also edit photos in super high res, and you can actually see every single detail on this display, and you can bring this display anywhere you go, because that's the power of a tablet, and that's the Honor MagicPad 4. Now when it comes to display, it's not just all technology, because when it comes to Honor devices like the phone and also the tablet, it also comes with 7 Honor Eye Comfort display technology, and let me list them out to you. It has 5280Hz PWM dimming, which has flicker-free for better eye protection in low light. It also has dynamic dimming, 18% reduction in eye fatigue, and with AI circadian night display, we get 20% increase in melatonin. And also, hardware-wise, the blue light is also very low at only 8%, and there's nature tone display, which results to 18% reduction in eye fatigue. There's also 89% effectiveness in motion sickness relief. So those are a few eye comfort display technology that is built into the Honor MagicPad 4. So if you see that I kept holding the tablet like this, right? That's because this tablet is super thin at 4.8 millimeters, and the weight is only 450 grams. So that's actually very thin and very light. That's because Honor has built this tablet using an all-new generation all-metal unibody chassis, achieving both extreme slimness and also strong durability, and it increases the rigidity by 55%. Now with all the AI agent development, deployment, photo editing, watching videos on this super high-res display, it needs to be powered by a super strong chip. So this is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, and it's actually a 3nm chip, and that also means it can process a lot more things in a very short time. And even if you are gaming, don't worry that this tablet will become hot, because it is using Honor's ice cooling chamber, which has 3D thermal architecture with 13 layers and a total VC plus graphite heat dissipation area that reaches 81,000 mm. Instead of just being able to, deploy AI agents, it is also powered by many AI features, like for example, AI Memo. So this AI Memo acts like a personal assistant, supporting every step before and also to after meeting. So for example, when you're in a video call meeting, the moment it starts, it will actually start transcribing every single thing that people say. So you have your notes instantly and you can, manage and manipulate this note later using AI. And with efficient productivity, that also means that this tablet is able to help you transfer files between this device and to another phone, and also connect it to a Mac, or even extend your Mac screen on this tablet. As thin as this device is, this thing is also powered by a very large battery, 10,100 mAh battery, and has super fast 66 watt wired fast charging. So that's crazy. So if you're looking for a tablet that acts also as a PC and also can run dual OS, which is Android OS and also Linux OS, super thin, super light, has a gigantic battery, and you can also use this screen to watch movies, edit videos and stuff like that. This thing only costs about 3,399 ringgit onwards, and you can already buy this thing from all Honor experience stores or even online. And with this, you don't just get the tablet, because as you can see, you also get this Honor Magic Keyboard for free, and also Honor Magic Pencil 4S for free also, and you also get 2 years of worry-free quality assurance. So that's a lot of things that you are getting for just 3,000 plus that you're paying for this tablet. So what do you think of the Honor MagicPad 4? I truly think that this is a tablet for the pros. But if you're using it for your day-to-day watching of YouTube, Netflix, scrolling emails, also can. Don't worry, it looks very good as well. So if you love gadgets like this, don't forget to subscribe to this video, because I have more gadgets coming. Click on the button below this video, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.